to the grand finale of McCain Star Chef Season 2. I'm Pallavi Batra, and today, this kitchen will witness a phenomenal culinary cook-off between the 4 finalists from the North, East, West and South zone of India. They've made it this far based on their culinary expertise, the perfect blend of flavors, and their sheer grit and determination to take home the title of McCain Star Chef Season 2. Judging the grand finale is not going to be an easy task, but someone has to do it. So let's call over our 2 judges who put Indian food on the world map, Chef Anahita Dhondi and Chef Aditya Bal.
She's known for her keen palate, innovative twists on classic dishes, a champion of Parsi dishes, and a force to reckon with in the culinary world. A cookbook author, social media sensation, and a celebrity who set up 9 outlets of a Parsi restaurant across India. Chef Anahita Dhondi. He is a household name in the culinary world, celebrated for his passion for regional Indian cuisines. With a career spanning across renowned kitchens and captivating food and travel television shows, he is a true culinary luminary and a legend of Indian cuisine. Please welcome Chef Aditya Bal.
Welcome to the grand finale of McCain Star Chef Season 2. We made it to the D-Day.
Here we are.
All right, how are you feeling, Chef?
Excited and nervous, both. I think we've seen some really good cooking and I don't know, I think we're going to, see something out of this world today. We're going to see something totally different.
Right. Chef, very, very high stakes today, high pressure for all our contestants. How do you think they're going to cope with it?
Well, I'm hoping they cope well, but really pressure is the occasion. It often gets
the better of you.
Yeah, it could get the better of you. So I think they really need to keep their composure, and get all of that out of their head, and then just focus on what's in front of them and really ace it.
Now, you both have a very big task at hand today. You are deciding the fate of our 4 finalists. I want to know, Chef, are you going to be comparing them just against each other's skills or also against their own performance in the first round?
So I think both those points are very important. I think it's about personal growth, which we all want to see, from the first day to today, how they've kind of come and grown and what they've learned. And also I think we've been giving them, little bits of wisdom, and I hope that they, really use that and they will use it today. But yes, at the end of the day, it is a competition. They are going to be competing against each other, and I know the best dish is going to come out and win.
So any of the finalists you'd like to say something about?
So I think we've got, each of them has their own qualities. Anurag came in very strong in the beginning with his Mexican flavors. And at the same time, I thought, Anjan's cooking with his modern Indian take. I'm sure all of them are going to do an amazing job.
Great. And Chef, you've told them time and again to keep things simple, don't overcomplicate. That has been your advice. And do you think the other 2 contestants have managed to do that?
Yeah, I think definitely. We saw it with the Asian plate that Shailesh had put up. And, he kept it really simple, but he did things well. He had that potatoes stacked nicely, a little thought on the plating
as well.
And
it was different from the others.
Yeah, it was different from the others. And even Sambhav on day 1 with his simple, salsa with the bee crispers and the other, I think, burrito plate that he had put together. We really liked it. Simple flavors, but they all worked, and good, honest cooking. I think they've done really well.
Wonderful. So let's take our seats and welcome our contestants.
Absolutely.
Please, thank you. All right, the stage is set. Our judges are all fired up. It's only time now to welcome our 4 finalists from the North, East, West and South zones.
Sambhav Bhatnagar, North Zone. Anurag Sen Gupta, East Zone. Shailesh Nigavale, West Zone. Anjan Gaud, South Zone.
When I entered the sets for the finale, the first thing that I noticed was there were 5 stations, and I was like, why are there 5 stations? Because as far as I know, there were just 4 of us who were participating in the finale. So that irked me a bit,
I totally, thrilled before seeing the 2 spinning wheels, because previously it was only one spinning wheel, but now there were 2.
As we entered the kitchen, the first thing which I saw in my eyes was the McCain Star Chef trophy. So it got me, कि अब तो ये trophy मेरे को ही चाहिए.
The gold plus the chef cap, both the things together, they look really mesmerizing.
Welcome to the sizzling culinary arena, where our stovetops will become the battlegrounds and the kitchen accessories will become your armor. So are you all set for the D-Day? Yeah. Are you all pumped? Are you all geared up? Because today is McCain Star Chef Season 2's finale. And what are our judges looking for? They're looking for clouds of aroma. They're looking for delicious, memorable dishes. Right, Chef?
Absolutely. So contestants, do you think you know your competition really well?
Yes.
Yes. Well, you may have it all figured out, or you may think you have it all figured out, but get ready for a literally game-changing twist. Okay? Because from 4, you're now going to become 5.
Oh. When I heard about the 5th contestant wildcard entry joining, not nervous, but I felt that yes, now the competition is really going to become tough, because see, ultimately it's a competition, and the competition should be a fair competition.
The first thought that came to my mind, to be very honest, was this is not done. We have been competing for so many rounds, and then suddenly there's someone else coming in at the on the finale day.
There were so many things going in our mind कि who it will be, कोई chef होगा, कि it will be any amateur chef or a home cook. So it was so many things going in our mind.
Adding a wildcard entry is, is just like adding up competition. That's it.
Yes, you heard that right. We have a wildcard entry. So let's put our hands together for Shatakshi from the International Institute of Hotel Management.
So when I entered, मैंने सबको देखा and I was like, ये तो बहुत बड़े हैं मुझसे, सबके सब मैं कैसे करूँगी?
So Shatakshi, how does it feel competing against all these professional chefs?
It's nerve-wracking and exciting both at the same time.
Yes, and you've been thrown into the deep end, straight into the finale. Is that easy, difficult? What do you think?
It is pretty difficult, but I'll try my best.
All right, wonderful. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, the rest of you know what it's time for. Correct. So let's put our hands together and welcome our third judge, the king of modern Indian food, Chef Manish Mehrotra.
Manish Mehrotra, a gastronomical genius known to reinterpret nostalgic Indian dishes and infuse it with global techniques and influences.
As soon as I came to know that Chef Manish Mehrotra is coming, I got a little nervous, and I was really excited to meet him in person for the first time.
We were quite nervous also कि what dish and how he is going to judge.
Getting to cook in front of him is an honor. So that was an amazing surprise.
Chef, welcome back to the McCain kitchen. Found your way back easy?
Very easy.
You've been here with us before.
Yes.
How is it this time around, season 2? Bigger, better, bolder?
Definitely bigger, more grand, I would say, and very happy to be here.
Chef, some words of wisdom for our contestants here. You've done it all. You've been to the best of the kitchens in the world. Some inspiration for them on how to really make it big in the culinary world.
No pressure, don't worry. You don't have to get pressurized. Just cook, give your heart out, and make some tasty khana. That's it.
As simple as that, right? So at the end of the day, Chef, this is a competition and we are looking for the new McCain Star Chef. What is it that you would be looking for in the winning dish today?
Taste, innovation. These are the 2 things which matters.
Absolutely. All right. Any tips for the contestants? Because there are 2 rounds today. Would you like to give them any hints? Would you like to tell them anything what they can expect in the 2 rounds?
That will be surprise, I think. Huh?
This is the season of surprises. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Chef, for being with us. Judges, over to you.
The contestants, today is the day. You need to bring that game face on. You have to create the most exceptional dishes that are going to decide your fate in this kitchen. Not going to be easy, but you're going to put your best foot forward. You are going to give us tasty and excellent dishes.
Chef Aditya, your thoughts for our contestants?
Well, chefs, this is it, right? You've already come a very long way, and frankly, all of you are winners here. But only one of you is going to walk away with the title of McCain Star Chef Season 2. So, you really need to kind of hit the ball out of the park, okay? And whoever walks away with that title, your life's going to change forever, right? So, hit the ball out of the park and get ready to step into a world of flame, flavor, and lots of finesse.
Wow, that sounds very exciting, doesn't it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Judges, I think we can tell them the rules for today.
Absolutely. So today we actually have 2 rounds planned for you. And in the second round, only 3 of you will be going ahead.
And chefs, for the first round, you have 2 spinning wheels in front of you, as you can see. One has got 8 McCain products, and the other one has 6 occasions on the wheel, right? So each of you are going to spin both those wheels, and that's going to give you your very own unique combination of product and occasion.
And now you know everything. You have 45 minutes to plate some really tasty food for all of us.
Wonderful.
Best of luck.
Thank you, judges. So contestants, as you heard them, only 3 of you will make it to the next round. So I hope you're all ready to bring your A game.
Yes.
Wonderful. And I also hope you're all ready to start spinning to find out what you'll be cooking today.
Yes.
Great. So let's have the first contestant up, Shailesh. Hi,
Hello.
feeling good?
Yeah.
Go for it. Breakfast menu. Herb chili potato patty. What a great combination, Shailesh.
So when I got the breakfast menu, I was a little bit nervous about it because there is a very little scope of plating and garnishing the breakfast because breakfast usually is served in the buffet. So I was a bit nervous about it.
Come on up, Shatakshi.
Firstly, I wanted Chinese menu. Secondly, when I got the time that I only have 45 minutes, then I wanted Indian chaat.
Indian chaat snack. What's it landed on?
Center.
Judges, your call.
It's on the paneer patty. Looks like the paneer patty.
Are we unanimous, judges?
I think it's
Yeah? Okay, so the paneer patty and Indian chaat snack, Shatakshi. Yes? All the best.
And I got Indian chaat and I was really happy कि चलो Indian chaat मिल गया. मैं 45 minutes में वही बना सकती हूँ.
Please, Anjan. Yes, you know the drill. Give it a good spin. Out with friends celebrating the weekend. Okay, that's specific. And your McCain product that you need to feature is the herb chili potato patty.
Again.
Okay,
Thank you.
all the best. Please. Hi, Sambhav. Go for
Hi.
it.
So I was planning to go with potato 65. This was my initial planning, but I basically got Indian chaat.
Hey, you have the Shaw Crisp. All right, that will hold 5 times longer, and you have to make an Indian chaat snack. Yes? Great.
That basically just threw all my thoughts into a pit, and I had to, reconsider that what I am going to make now.
Come on up, please. Our last contestant for the day, Anurag. Okay, we have a Chinese menu solution, and you have to use the veggie fingers, Anurag. Up your alley? Great. After lots of spinning action, we finally know who's cooking what. They all know that they have 45 minutes in the first round to make their way to the second round. So let's head over to the judges to kick it off. Judges, shall we? Let's go. Your time starts now.
I did not have a lot of idea about Chinese. So the first thing that came to my mind was Tangra, because I hail from West Bengal, and you know Tangra is basically birthplace of Indo-Chinese, जो कि अभी मिलता है Chinese food के नाम पे इंडिया में. So I just went ahead with my gut feeling and I just tried to replicate that dish.
I thought, like going with one product is more towards, being isolated. So I thought that I had seen the breakfast buffets where there are numerous products and less products, and that was a thing which was coming in my mind.
I know I'm competing in professional chef. अगर मैंने उनकी डिश देख ली तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिमोटिवेट हो जाऊंगी.
आप क्या बना रहे हैं?
Hi, sir. So I'm making potato chaat.
This potato chaat.
This potato chaat using more crisp. This puri chutney.
Chutney, no. Very good. आप क्या बना रहे हैं?
Hi, Chef. Chef, I'm making katsu curry along with some burnt garlic fried rice.
किस चीज़ का कच्चू बना रहे हैं?
Veg fingers हैं.
अच्छा, इसको कच्चू में
Yes.
करेंगे.
Yes.
Good. Nice. हो जाएगा टाइम पे?
Yes, chef.
आपका भी हो जाएगा?
Yes, absolutely.
Chefs, I hope you're done with half of your dishes because half of your time is over. You only have 25 minutes to go. What are you making?
I'm making a potato and a mushroom stack along with some nice parmesan and spinach puree.
You know what you've got, right?
Yes.
What is your
So
McCain
it's
product?
a McCain product is potato patty.
Okay. And
So
what
we are
is
celebrating a friend outing with on a weekend. They go out.
So friends on the plate
Yes.
and friends will be enjoying it.
Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Thank
Looking
you, Chef.
forward to trying it. Hi, how are you doing? What's happening? What are you cooking?
So I've got the Indian chaat. So I'm be preparing some mangoris with that. And this is the coriander.
Is it going to be a spicy green chutney? Okay, so just make sure you're looking at the time. Quickly start
Yes.
getting everything ready क्योंकि अभी आपके table पे I can only see the chutney.
My batter is ready.
Okay, cool.
When Chef Anita came to my table, so ने बोला I think तुम काफी पीछे चल रहे हो कि थोड़ा जल्दी काम करो. So that boosted me really well.
Hello, chef.
Hi.
The batter is ready. I'm going to experiment egg Benedict, replicate the egg Benedict with the vegetable version.
Hope it all comes together. not
Absolutely.
anything left.
Yeah.
At all. Anurag, how's it coming along?
Good, Chef. Good.
Yeah?
Yes, Chef.
We're doing the rice for us,
Yes,
is it?
Chef. Yes, Chef.
What's your occasion? You've got a Chinese,
Chinese menu
solution. And your product?
My product is veg fingers, McCain veg fingers.
Okay.
So I'm planning to do a Tangra style katsu curry with burnt garlic fried rice.
Everything ready for that?
Yes, Chef. My sauce is ready.
Okay. Yeah, good luck, guys.
Chefs, 5 more minutes. Hurry up.
All right, contestants, it's almost time. Judges, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Chef Sailesh, get your dish.
Chef, I made a fusion of French and Indian one. So I had made a Benedict, which is basically made from the potato crispy patty.
लेकिन फ्यूजन करने की क्या जरूरत पड़ी?
Ultimately, I was having a philosophy that most of the buffet is 80% of the eggs in the breakfast, and the rest of them are salads and the fruits. So I tried to incorporate a patty as a form of the poached egg.
हिंदुस्तान में बिना अंडे के बड़े सारे ब्रेकफास्ट होते हैं. आपने ये क्यों किया?
I also tried to make a chilla, but unfortunately I could not get plated. So
That wouldn't have been a very perfect pairing in any case.
yeah,
So this is just chutney.
this is a basic chutney.
So with this dish, the Florentine that you have presented, the chutney does not go with it.
No, not at all. Yeah. Unfortunately, I could not balance the timing for both of them, and due to this imbalance, the focus on the main product was little bit left, and that is the thing I regret.
कुछ नमक मिर्ची तो चाहिए.
Thank you.
That's fine. That's the basic.
Yeah.
लेकिन हाँ, बाकी चीजें मैच नहीं कर रही हैं. आइटम नहीं रेडी था तो आपको चटनी हम लोगों को देनी नहीं चाहिए थी.
This idea was very good because you met the brief. You did breakfast. You used the patty,
Correct.
right?
No need to try to do too much.
Yes.
Too many different things.
Definitely.
More focus.
क्या सीख
Thank you.
मिलती है? Less is more.
More.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talking about my dish, I was not completely satisfied with the plating part, but yes, talking about the flavors, I was quite happy.
Satakshi, can you please bring us your dish?
I've made mangodis. It's special to my heart and very special to the Delhi people.
Okay, great. And how has your experience been cooking with all the professionals?
It was a bit pressure, a lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure, but you didn't look like there was any pressure, chef. She was totally calm, right?
Firstly, I was scared कि मतलब काफी बड़े chefs हैं और तो काफी scared थी.
आपको तो उन लोगों को डरने की जरूरत थी, है कि नहीं? वो और प्रोफेशनल हैं, आप स्टूडेंट हो अभी. अगर वो आपसे हार जाएंगे तो उनको डरने की जरूरत है. आपको क्या डरने की जरूरत है?
It's a great experience, and we're very excited to taste. Chef, please start. So, what are the two chutneys you've made?
One is the tamarind chutney and the green one is the special coriander and mint chutney. It's gonna be a bit spicy.
The flavors are really quite where they need to be.
मुझे पता था मेरी फर्स्ट राउंड में प्लेटिंग उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, बट फ्लेवर्स वाज गुड.
I think you could have used the paneer element a bit more in the dish.
मेरी जब फर्स्ट डिश प्रेजेंट करी और सबने तारीफ करी, ऐसा नहीं था कि उनने कुछ ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स निकाली. इट वाज लाइक लिटिल बिट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स.
You have done a very good job, but I know you can do even better. Thank you.
So next time paneer mangodi.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
definitely.
you.
When I got the feedback from 3 chefs, so I think कि मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से पनीर पार्टी यूज़ कर सकती थी. As Chef Anaysta said कि जब तुम मंगोड़ी बना रही थी, you should have dipped the patties in the मंगोड़ी batter and then fried it. So that idea was really good.
Anjan, can you please bring us your dish?
So it's a mushroom and potato stack along with some spinach and parmesan cream.
Looks juicy. I'm sure it's gonna taste great.
Aloo, mushroom, cheese.
Yes.
You can't go wrong. And you did a good, perfect combination. Spinach, parmesan, very delicious.
Thank you, chef.
That is a good touch. It helps in plating, it helps in color also, and it gives good flavor. Good.
Thank you, chef.
So I think Anjan, your thought was very clear from the beginning. If I had to point out a mistake which I'm finding on my palate right now, is it's a little extra oily. I think because everything is sauteed, everything's got little cheese, and it's also fried. It needed one element of freshness.
Overall, I think awesome job.
Thank you, chef.
Little bit of freshness, yes. You could have added something on top, maybe to just cut through that richness of the overall dish. But I think you aced it on this
Good
one.
job.
Thank you.
Really good job.
Thank you, chef.
Really good job.
Excellent.
Good cooking.
Very good.
Thank you.
So I got a nice feedback from all the judges, and everyone was impressed with my dish, with my look of the dish and the taste. And by looking after some other feedback, so I was very much confident that I will be going for the finale.
Chef Sambhav.
I have made potato chaat from the cart.
Chaat मेरा favorite चीज है. And in my opinion, chaat is one such dish which represent India. Color, texture, flavor. जैसे हमारे इंडिया में डाइवर्सिटी है ना, वैसी चाट में हर चीज अलग अलग होती है और हर चीज रिप्रेजेंट करती है चाट। लेकिन ये चाट फ्रॉम द कार्ट नहीं, चाट फ्रॉम द टैंक लग रहा है, जैसे कि वॉर जोन से ये चाट आई है।
My dish looks like a chaat from the war zone. I totally agree with him.
एक बात जानते हैं, चाट एक ऐसी यूनिक चीज थी हिंदुस्तान में जो बिना प्याज लहसुन की परफेक्ट डिश थी। आपने उसमें भी प्याज डाला है?
When I came to your bench, I saw you were cutting all the ingredients. You were doing your mise en place.
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you cutting so much onion?
Ma'am, I just used 2 onions.
And as chef said, चाट में तो होता ही नहीं onion.
चाट का वर्ड जो आता है ना, वो चाटने से आता है। चाट वो होनी चाहिए जिसको चाटने का मन करे, तो वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग था।
Noted, chef.
बाकी परफेक्ट।
Thank you, chef. Well noted.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू सर।
When I was done with the whole recipe, I was not really very much happy with the plating that I have done. I think that I might have done a little better.
Anurag, please bring your dish.
To be very honest, I wasn't very happy with the way my plate looked, but then the flavors were there.
So, Anurag, please tell us what have you made?
I tried katsu chicken curry along with some burnt garlic fried rice.
बट एक्चुअली में कच्चू करी कैसे बनती है?
Katsu curry paste से बनते हैं।
करी पाउडर?
Yes, chef. मद्रास करी पाउडर भी हम यूज करते हैं।
मद्रास करी पाउडर?
Yes, chef.
मद्रास करी पाउडर कहाँ का है?
मद्रास का।
ना,
So when Chef Manish asked me about the origin of Madras curry powder, the first thing that came to my mind was just it's Madras curry powder. From where can it originate? So I just said Madras.
मद्रास करी पाउडर इज नॉट इंडियन,
Okay.
इट इज ब्रिटिश। उनको मसाले समझ में नहीं आते थे ना, उन्होंने सब मिला जुला के एक मसाला बना दिया जिसको व्हाइट सॉस में मिलाते थे और फ्राइडे के दिन चिकन करी बना के खाते थे।
Then he explained how the Madras curry powder came into existence. So yeah, that was informative for me as well.
You've made a nice sauce. Yes, it's not a katsu,
Yes, chef.
but it's flavorful. You've managed to balance it, and the garlic flavor is really nice. It's coming through in the fried rice. It's a proper burnt garlic fried rice.
Thank you.
So I think you've done justice to that.
Thank you.
Good cooking. Thank you. Very good cooking. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Honest food.
Overall, the judges were happy, and that is what gave me confidence that might be there would be a chance that I can move into the next round.
So, Chef, how was round 1? What did you think of their performances?
It was really exciting. Some great stuff and flavorful food. It was not bland and all. It was namak mirchi sabki sahi thi.
Great. Fruitful tasting session, Chef?
I think as always, all the chefs have really put their best foot forward. Lots of elements, lots of thoughts, which have actually come onto the plate. So we're very happy, and it's been a great start.
And Chef, did you feel that they all stuck to the brief?
Yeah, I think they stuck to the brief, and they definitely brought their A game. Some really smart cooking, and good thinking as well, and good flavors overall.
Wonderful, guys. So let's put them out of their misery and announce the winners for round 1, who will be going into the finale for McCain Star Chef Season 2. So the results are in, and unfortunately, that is the nature of competitions, that someone has to leave to make way for someone to win. So guys, unfortunately, the 2 people who are leaving us in this round are Sambhav and Shailesh. I'm so sorry your journey ends here. Thank you so much for being a part.
When I got to know about my elimination, I was a bit sad. But yes, that is a competition.
Winning is not everything, but sometimes you just participate to learn a lot of things.
Which means our 3 finalists for McCain Star Chef Season 2 are Anjan, Anurag and Shatakshi. Give yourselves a big round of applause, guys.
My name announced for the final round, so I was quite happy and a little nervous too.
Now I was finally in the finale, and just one step away was the trophy. right? So it was an amazing feeling. You know, I was excited.
सारे प्रोफेशनल शेफ थे तो मैं थोड़ा कम ही होप कर रही थी, बट जब मुझे पता लगा जो सेकेंड राउंड में जा रही थी, दैट वाज रियली एक्साइटिंग.
Our three finalists will now battle it out in an epic finale-worthy cook-off to take home the trophy for McCain Star Chef Season 2. Well, it's the grand finale of McCain Star Chef Season 2 and that requires a grand challenge. Our contestants will have to recreate Chef Manish Mehrotra's dish to make it to the winning point of McCain Star Chef Season 2. Chef, over to you.
Thank you so much, Pallavi. So, it's a very simple dish. Beetroot and goat cheese koftas with a pumpkin and coconut curry. So, South Indian influence hai.
Chef Manish Mehrotra told that there is a South Indian element in his dish. So I was quite nervous also because it will be a pressure test for me as I am from the South region.
सबसे पहले हम लोग pumpkin curry का सामान चढ़ाएंगे. इसके अंदर हमने अपना pumpkin डाला.
When Chef Manish started, you know, with the demo of his dish, it was like an amazing experience because, you know, to see the legend cook in front of you and to actually, you know, like learn from him, that's a rare opportunity.
जब तक हम pumpkin का काम करेंगे, इसके मिक्सचर को थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने देते हैं. ठीक है. सो बीटरूट का मिक्सचर हमारा फ्रिज के अंदर ठंडा हो रहा है. अब उसकी स्टफिंग थोड़ी सी बना लेंगे. करी हमारी तैयार है.
Chef, is this your fusion recipe?
There is no fusion in this. Ingredients सारे इंडियन हैं, फ्लेवर सारे इंडियन हैं, परोसने का तरीका और बनाने का तरीका थोड़ा सा अलग है.
I felt really nervous seeing how Chef was cooking because the speed with which Chef was cooking, I wasn't sure that I'll be able to replicate that. And replicating his dish, it was a far-fetched thought.
I was very tensed because उनकी डिश में हर जितनी भी उन्होंने चीज़ें डाली थी, हर डिश हर इंग्रेडिएंट का फ्लेवर आ रहा था. It's soft हो या pumpkin, everything was balanced.
The judges and contestants have tasted Chef Manish Mehrotra's delectable masterpiece and now it is up to the contestants to try and recreate Chef's beetroot goat cheese kofta in pumpkin coconut curry to the best of their ability in 60 minutes to get their hands on the title of McCain Star Chef Season 2. So without further ado, judges, shall we kick them off?
Absolutely.
Contestants, your time starts now.
जब मुझे पता लगा कि हमें शेफ की डिश रेप्लिकेट करनी है, so I thought it is going to be tough.
I had one thing very clear in my mind that I would, you know, give my entire focus to the flavor.
बीटरूट मिक्सचर हो गया.
Yes, chef.
खुशबू अच्छी है. वेरी गुड. तैयार हो गए.
Yes, chef.
सॉस रेडी.
Yes, all ready.
एक्सेलेंट.
Hi Anurag.
Hi, chef.
Where have you reached?
The gravy is almost ready.
Okay.
I'll fry the koftas now.
You were looking a little nervous. Are you okay?
When my curry was almost complete, the gravy, I felt that the flavor was missing. It wasn't on point. At that point, I became pretty nervous and I panicked a bit. So that took a lot of time for me.
So Takshi, how are you doing?
I'm done with everything.
You're done with everything?
Yes.
How are you doing, Anil?
All good.
All good?
Very good.
Okay. Chefs, last 10 minutes, you better start plating because we want to see those beautiful dishes.
I was the first one who finished the dish.
Flavors talk for themselves. Plating में थोड़े point जाते हैं तो it's fine.
Contestants, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And stop.
Well
done.
So let's get started. Anurag, can we see your dish? कैसा बना है?
I told him that, chef, I think that I've replicated around 85% of your dish. I was confident of what I cooked, but then I wasn't sure about what the others did.
It looks good. Yeah.
That compliment for me was everything. Like, अब उसके बाद मैं अगर नहीं भी जीतता हूँ तो it's fine.
हीट जो है कोफ्ते के अंदर में ग्रीन चिली की बहुत अच्छी है. गोट चीज इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. करी इज वेरी नाइस. थोड़ा सा बैलेंस में गड़बड़ हो गई है हल्का सा.
मुझे भी लगा था that the flavor balance wasn't correct, exactly on point.
I think Anurag, you've given it your touch. One or two things were a miss. You know, addition of soft, and it is slightly stronger for me, if you ask me.
It's coming in the mouth.
It's coming in your mouth. So I think that is something, but otherwise, overall, very good attempt.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I think you've executed almost all of the elements to a certain real degree of proficiency. Good plate. Good plate.
Thank you.
Really good cooking.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
I was confident that I was there. I wasn't spot on, but I was somewhere near.
Anjan, can you please bring us your plate? You were looking quite relaxed.
I mean, yeah, it's
Easy.
Was it easy for you?
not that much easy,
Okay.
but yeah.
So that means chef has taught you well. That's important.
Let's taste.
फ्लेवर में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. बाकी टेक्सचर सही था. वो चीज सही है. मगर दोनों चीजों में कोफ्ते और करी दोनों में मेरे को सीजनिंग का बैलेंस थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ लगा. जो ग्रीन चिली की जो थोड़ी सी हीट आनी चाहिए थी, क्योंकि स्मूथ करी है, स्वीट करी है, तो वो हीट मेरे को बैलेंस नहीं लगा.
Feedback given by Chef Manish was not that much great.
You were working very professionally. Your section was very clean. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से आपने किया. But I think what's important in such a plate is the details. I'm not getting any flavor. Plus जो spice element था जो शेफ की डिश में, ऊपर से हल्का गरम मसाला, the adrak or the ginger, green chili, which was coming through in the kofta, is not coming through for me.
The feedback given for the taste was it was a little bland. It has to be more of chili and some ginger.
Your sauce, I mean, critically, the character of it has changed. Certain elements are missing. I would say like a bit flat in terms of the overall profile of the flavor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, chef.
Thank
Good
you.
cooking.
Very
Thank you,
good
Anjan.
attempt.
The dish was replicated well, but it lost little flavor.
Shatakshi, please.
पंपकिन करी लग रही है. कोकोनट मिसिंग लग रहा है इसमें. हैं? लग देखते हैं.
Let's see.
Shatakshi, how was your experience cooking this dish?
Again, nerve-wracking.
Do you think you can work in chef's kitchen?
I can do that.
ठीक है?
We'll see that once we taste your dish.
ग्रेवी बड़ी अच्छी है, लेकिन ये पंपकिन वाली जो सब्जी, खट्टा मीठा कद्दू वाली सब्जी, उससे बड़ी मैच कर रही है. कोफ्ते में सब कुछ सही है, बट वही जिंजर, ग्रीन चिली का बैलेंस गड़बड़ है.
The koftas are very flavorful. Possibly the closest koftas to chefs. I think आपने मसालों का बहुत अच्छा बैलेंस करा हुआ है. Of course, आपकी gravy I think is a little off, but good job.
Thank you.
I'll go with both of our chefs have already said. But otherwise, I think fabulous attempt and thanks.
Thanks.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks.
The deliberations are done, the scores have been tabulated, and you could cut the tension in this room with a knife. But before we move ahead and reveal the winner, let's welcome back to the kitchen the first round finalists who made it to the grand finale of McCain Star Chef Season 2 from amongst thousands of entries from across the country. Let's put our hands together for Shailesh and Sambhav. I request our judges to facilitate them with the trophy. So Sambhav, you win this wonderful trophy and also win a gift voucher of rupees 20,000. for making it to the finals of McCain Star Chef.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Thank you, Chef.
You also win the trophy and a gift voucher of rupees 20,000.
Oh, excellent. Thank you so much.
Very well done. Thank you so much for joining us.
Along with the trophy, yes, we also got a gift voucher, and really it was a cherry on the top of the cake.
All right, it's almost time for the moment of truth. Let's reveal the winner, but let's first invite our round 2 finalists up. Please, come on up, all of you. So it's been a long journey, it's been a long day for all of you, and I think we should put them out of their misery very quickly. So in third place, the second runner-up for McCain Star Chef Season 2 is... Shatakshi. Shatakshi wins this trophy and
Very good.
also a gift voucher of rupees 30,000.
As a wild card, I think it is the best thing that has happened to me. Yeah, I never thought कि मुझे wild card entry इतने बड़े stage और इतने बड़े competition में मिलेगी.
So that was our wild card entry and that was a wild result. Now it's down to Anjan and Anurag. It's now down to the 2 men from the East and the South Zone. Chef, may I request you to do the honors for our winner? So before we go ahead, let's just give a big round of applause to both of them for making it this far. The winner for McCain Star Chef Season 2 is... Anurag. Congratulations, Anurag. You are McCain Star Chef. So Anurag wins this trophy and a gift voucher of rupees 50,000.
When I was announced the winner, it felt out of the world. Too much going on in my mind. I was so happy. I was like, giggling my heart out.
That means, Anjan, you are our first runner-up. Congratulations, Chef Aditya. Would you please felicitate Anjan for making it?
I was happy also, but I'm not in a mood to celebrate because I lost the game.
So, Anjan, as you might have guessed, you get the trophy and a gift voucher of rupees 40,000.
Quite happy that we have reached till here, so कुछ तो लेके ही जाएंगे. So that is what it is.
And because this has been the season of surprises, we have another surprise from McCain. The winner, Anurag, gets an all-expense paid trip to Goa for 2 nights and 3 days with a +1. So well on holiday, Anurag.
Add-on surprise Goa trip was like, cherry on the cake because I did not expect that.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our judges, especially judges Chef Aditya Bal and Chef Anayata, for giving us their time throughout this contest. It has been a long journey. There's been lots of tastings, lots of fun, lots of words of wisdom given to all our contestants to help them reach this stage. And of course, McCain Star Chef is incomplete without Chef Manish Mehrotra, who is the foundation for this platform. Thank you, Chef, for being here. And of course, to our contestants who always make the competition what it is, we're of course nothing without them. So thank you for being with us. And to our lovely audience, thank you all so much for tuning in. We'll be back with McCain Star Chef Season 3, which is going to be bigger, better as always. I'm Pallavi Batra. Thank you so much for joining us.